Step 2. Bench Bracket Installation. In this segment, you will learn how simple it is to install the HOLLSPA bench brackets and to permanently waterproof the surrounding wall gaps with the silicone sealant provided. Wall slot preparation. Remove the template guides by gently pulling them out. Clear slots of any obstruction. Slide the trim around the brackets and secure with masking tape. Insert the brackets into the wall slots and press down about 1/4 of an inch. Bracket flanges must be level to one another. If not, remove brackets, clear obstruction, and reinstall. When the brackets are correctly installed, the bench top will slope down towards the wall for safer seating and effective water runoff. Apply masking tape around each bracket, flush with the wall. Remove the brackets and clean the areas with alcohol where silicone will be applied. When dry, apply masking tape around the wall slots. Silicone and bracket installation. Backfill 1/3 of the slot's depth with silicone. Reinsert the brackets, pressing down about 1/4 of an inch. Pull firmly on each bracket to ensure there is no movement away from the wall. Check once again that the brackets are level to one another. Completely fill the wall slots with silicone. Remove all masking tape and push the trims flush with the wall. Apply a thin bead of silicone around the trim, immediately removing any excess. Make sure that the brackets are perpendicular to the wall and secure them for 12 hours while the silicone cures. Proceed to Step 3. Bench top installation.